First thing I've done for the route inspection problem is go through each of these and work out how many lines are coming out of each dot, how many edges are coming out of each node. So here one's 2, this was 3, 2, and the important ones are these odd ones here. So we've got B and C and E and G. And we want to try and see how we pair these things up. So I've got one version there, B and C and E and G. But we could have had B and E, C and G, or we could have had B and G. What else have I got? C and E. And we want to work out how far apart each of those. What's the best route from each of these? We can do this just by inspection. We don't need to go through a big Dijkstra to work this out. So B to C that's 10.4, isn't it? E to G is easy. That's 10.1. I don't think it's quicker. No, that's more that way, isn't it? So that's 20.5. So if that's the best, then we're going to have to add 20.5 to that grand total we've got there. But let's try B to E. So B to E is just that 8.3 down there. And then C to G, is that going to be 16.1 that way? I think that is, isn't it? 16.1. So that gives 24.4. That's not as good as we had before. And B to G, well, that's 18 that way. It's going to be that way there, isn't it? So that is 14.9. And C to E is straight across the middle. That's 11.9 as well, isn't it? That's actually the worst. So that's 26.8. So the best one to do, we're going to join these ones here. So it was actually my very first one. They're the extra roads that we'd actually lay on. And so the grand total is going to be 73.3 plus the 20.5. So 93.8 will be the shortest distance to go through all of those. Find a route. So actually find a route now as well. Okay. Well, look, we'll start. Does it say we must start and finish at A? Look, I'm just going to do this, and you can sort of. So we'll go. Let's just go around like this, shall we? Da 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 da. And what do we go? We're going B to C, so we'll go over to there, and then we'll go. Let's go down to there. E to G, and we'll go back again, and then there, and then there, and then home again. So whatever I did, but there's multiple different ways. As long as you get back to A again, it doesn't matter, does it? So part C says there's going to be a new tunnel. I wish I hadn't written all over it now. From C to G. So from C to G, from there to there, and it's going to be 10 kilometers long. So all of this doesn't matter anymore, because actually the only thing we need, so because C and G aren't odd anymore, we only care about the other two, and the other two were B and E, and the distance between B and E was 8.3. So the new total would be 18.3. So you can see that 18.3 more than the 73.3. And so the new total would be 91.6. And that's better. So yes, it would be better to do that one.